So guys, behind me, I probably have the best and the worst electric push mowers on the market. So this yellow one, this is a Dewalt 40 volts, I believe like max 5 amp mower or 6 amp mower right there. And then next to it is the Go Power Plus. It comes with this huge battery. This is 56 volts at 7.5 amps. It is amazing. So this piece of crap right here, I've used for about a year. It cannot even push the front of my yard. This thing can go for about an hour and push the front and the back, no problem. It's self-propelled. Let me just show you what I've had to deal with for a year. So for the DeWalt, all you gotta do is just put the battery in, like so. We're gonna set the height to 3, just like this one is set. And let me show you what happens. So you can see the grass is fairly tall and it is a little wet. So to start it, all you gotta do is just press this. If I can do it with one hand. Like, it's not even starting in this grass. That's the biggest piece of crap this is. So this is what the crappy DeWalt mower mowed. It mowed the front yard to right here, and it's stuck on the ditch. So you press the button. I can't do this with one hand. And it just won't start. And if you get it to start, it dies right away. So I'm not sure where this would cut it as a push mower, but it doesn't even do my front yard, not to mention side yard, backyard, in front of the sidewalk, stuff like that. And when you take the battery out, it's actually like really hot to the touch. And when you put it in the charger, I don't think it starts charging until it cools down. And from what I found out, it takes about 4 hours to charge. So it's not like you can put it on the charger, go weed eat or whatever and wait for it to charge. No, like you better have that mess planned to mow the backyard like the next day. Now, the beast is right here, the Go Power Plus 2. This thing works so well. All you gotta do is just pick this bad boy up right here, put this in, and you're good to go. So all you gotta do with this is press this and this. But it also has the ability, it's self-propelled. So it actually like beefs up its power if it's going through really thick or wet grass, as you probably heard there. So that is pretty cool. I am literally done. Like I can't mow anymore, and the mower is still going. It is like 1, 2 o'clock in Florida. It's probably like 95 degrees out. It just rained, so it's like muddy, humid. I physically just can't do this anymore right now. But this Ego mower, like, this is definitely the Tesla of mowers, because the range outlasted me. When I'm in a Tesla, I usually have to stop before the Tesla does the charge. Same thing with this. Like the Dewalt mower, it barely got through the front yard. This Ego got through the rest of the front yard, the side yard, little miscellaneous areas, through water, everything. Like, I still have stuff left to mow, but I'm positive it's going to be able to do it no problem. The battery life on this thing is like 45 minutes. If you use the self-propelled option, it could be more or less depending on how fast you're going. Obviously, if your grass is longer and wet, that's going to also affect battery life. But just know that, like, this is the best push mower you can buy right now in 2019. I did my research. I'm confident. It's definitely way better than the one I had before. So basically, when you're done mowing and you put it on the charger, you can see right here, it actually has the fan on, it's cooling it. And right here you can see the battery life. So after I did all that mowing, it's like somewhere between 25 and 50% right now, which that's crazy. I could have comfortably mown my whole yard, no problem. If it was dry, it would have been even better, but there's so much mud, it just makes it so much harder on the mower. All right, guys, have a great day. Give me thumbs up to hydrate me, because I need it. I'm thirsty. Have a great day. Bye.